Hey everybody, it's Justin at MK Modelworks, and this is episode number 2 of What Did You Buy Wednesday, hosted by Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop. Really excited to show you what I got, so let's get into it after the intro. MK Modelworks is officially in collaboration with Gaahleri. From airbrushes to compressors and everything in between, choose Gaahleri for all your airbrushing needs. Click the link in the description to have your 10% discount automatically applied, or use code MKMKS at checkout. So, for today's episode, I have a couple of stash ads that I got from the IPMS Mad City Modelers show in Madison, Wisconsin. I think it was on the 7th. Anyways, I went up there, my first ever model show. It was a blast. I got some good coverage, I got some good interviews, and that video will be coming out pretty soon. It's a little later than I expected and wanted to, but I got sick. The household came down with RSV, and I was one of them that just happened to catch it. So that's why there's been a delay in videos on my channel. So first up, I picked up a bottle of Dave's Magic Paint Stripper. Now, I talked to Dave, got an interview with Dave, really great guy, and he said this works on styrene, it works on just about everything besides metal. I think he said it was because of the way that they put the paint on, they bake it on, and so it's pretty much there. He said that it doesn't work on that, but it will work on everything else, including, now get this, including resin 3D printed parts. Now, you got .3, you got Purple Power, you got all these other household box store chemicals that work great on styrene. You put resin parts in it, and half of those are going to turn it to mush, right? So Dave's Magic Paint Stripper works with 3D resin parts. So I picked up a bottle of that, and I'm really excited to try that out. And I have a video coming up later on the channel where I compare different box store and hardware store chemicals for stripping, well, acrylic paint anyways, because I don't do lacquers or enamels. And this I'm going to put in there just because this is specifically made for modelers, right? It's made for the hobby. It's not something that's made for cleaning out your oven or helping you stop your vehicle, right? This is made for styrene and 3D parts and everything else it wants to take off. So that's going to be really exciting. It seems to be, from what I've read and what he's told me, a really good product. I haven't opened it. It's still sealed. I haven't tried it out yet, but I'm wanting to get to that soon. Then we have the kits stash ads. I got the Polar Lights Ghostbusters Ep.2. Now this is the Ep.2, not the 1A. The 1A was in Ghostbusters 2. This here is a Snap Tight kit, or Snap Together kit. Snap Tight, I think, is its own brand by Revell, I want to say. Anyways, it was opened, but everything is still sealed inside. So that's kind of cool. And I'm going to try to get this Snap kit to look just as good, if not better, than a skill 2 or 3. Now check out this body. This thing is huge. Look at that. It's 11 inches long, you know? So it's a big kit. It's all molded. It is a curbside, due to it being a snap together kit. Skill level 1. Screws on the bottom. But I think I can make this look really good. It's going to be a lot of fun. I love the Ghostbusters movies, and I think that one is going to be a blast. Also, I got my Holy Grail kit. The Monogram Paddy Wagon. Now, when I was a little kid, one of my first memories of a well-done model was this one. And so I've always wanted it, always seen it, you know, in the show rod kind of the Facebook groups and on YouTube, and people saying that they wanted it and it's a really iconic kit. And I picked this one up at the Mad City show for $15. I should have got the other one they had there too, but you know. I think this one is going to be a blast. It will bring back a lot of memories of where I saw it at, because it was in my uncle's friend's shop, and it was sitting up on the shelf in his office. And every time I walked in there, I always saw this kit, and it's sitting up there, and I just always really liked looking at it. And ever since then, you know, I really enjoyed this particular kit. They're kind of harder to come by nowadays, but it's alright. I got my Grail kit. Tim Shields over at Shields Model Car Customs, he wound up getting one, and this was his Grail kit too. So congratulations, Tim, on getting your Grail kit. And if you haven't seen his channel, go over and check it out. Shields Model Car Customs. Speaking of channels and shout outs and all that, I have more shop cards. More shop cards and stickers. So Ed over at One Team Garage sent me this one. Really nice shop card. I like the coloring, and like it's not really, you know, a clear photo, but that was the point. Really nice design. And on the back he writes, "To Justin, thank you for reaching out to exchange shop cards. Well, I ain't got mine yet, but I requested a shop card, so, you know. Your support is greatly appreciated. You have a great channel, and I look forward to your video on stripping paint." That goes back to what I was just talking about a while ago, right? Sincerely, Ed Cole, a.k.a. the Black Poe, P-O-E. See? So, great shop card, Ed. I really appreciate it, man. And he sent a sticker. Really nice sticker, nice and large. This one is going right there. One Team Garage. Let's get to building, Ed. See, let's get to building. And kind of, that's his quote, not mine. And we have 2 shop cards from Manny over at Manny's Scale Modeling channel. Manny designs shop cards and uses a printing service. If you go to his website, www.mannyscalemodeling.com, he has a whole bunch of information, a whole bunch of stuff on that website, and he has his shop card service. So he designs shop cards, and you send him your ideas and photos and whatnot, and he'll go through and design your shop card. Now he'll send you via email pictures of the shop card, and whatever you decide, if you want to change this, change that, add something, whatever, he'll go in and fix it. And then once you get it just right, he ships it off to his printing company that he works with, and he has it, sent to you, or he sends it, that's right, he sends it from his shop to you. So, got 2 cards here. The Manny Scale Modeling card, established 2023. His YouTube channel was. It's got the Gaahleri logo, the Gaahleri airbrush holder. There's the Rat Fink guy. Check him out. Nice Cobra. That is a nice Cobra. And look at the engine detail on this. Oh, wow. And on the back, he writes, "Hey, Justin, thanks for swapping shop cards." Well, he sent me one. So, I'm going to definitely be using Manny's Scale Modeling website for my shop card when I get ready to do it. He says, "Looking forward to seeing more builds on your channel. Thanks, Manny." Well, thank you, Manny. This is a really nice one. He's also got this one here. He's got the Gaahleri Manny Scale Modeling, established 2023, and the QR code. I don't know how those are made, but if he can do it and make it, that'd be kind of cool to have on mine, Manny, if you see this. So yeah, and they're super high quality cards, like real nice and glossy on the front, and matte paper finish on the back. So they're easy to write on the back, like what he did here. See? And yeah, really nice shop cards, nice shop card service. He also sent me a sticker. I love stickers. So, let's get this done. All right. That one's going over here. And I would like to thank Gaahleri for partnering with my channel. They have great products, great customer service. Their customer service is second to none, guys. Gaahlerie's customer service is top-notch. Their products are top-notch. And if you have any issues with whatsoever, with whatever you got an issue, give them a call or message them. And let them know. And they will be happy to try to resolve that issue. I do have an affiliate link in the description below, and if you use code MKMKS at checkout, you can save 10% off your purchase. So use that code, or you can use the link, and it will directly apply that code at checkout. So, I'd like to thank Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop for putting on What Did You Buy Wednesdays. Remember, here at MK Modelworks, it's progress over perfection, learning as we go. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching.